Hey Saber fans, Tony of Run Sabers, and today another install review for you. If you're new to the channel, I do install, repair, and review these sabers, so please like, comment, subscribe. Now today we have a Roman Props MK1. This is a crystal reveal for Obi Wan's lightsaber during A New Hope. Now this was a long time making. The customer wanted, we went through tons of chassis and about how different they were and what could max out, what's the space inside this, because putting a crystal reveal in there is a lot of work and this and that. And so what we did was we ended up using a Goth 3D chassis like I did last time for a reveal just like this. He didn't buy any extra crystal, gold plated stuff for the inside, which made the job a lot easier because there's a lot more space in this grenade, this Graflex clamp. He originally requested that a Smugglers Outpost speaker be in here, and I wasn't sure if I could fit one in here, but I was able to fit one in here. So now it has a 28mm bass speaker from Smugglers Outpost, and so I was very happy about that. It has two buttons here, power and aux. It has proffie 5.9 OS system. If you want USB and SD card access, you can take off this pommel here, and it's all at the very end because the speaker's in the Graflex clamp. So I'll show that here. Of course, you got the crystal reveal from Rudy Pando. I have an unboxing review on that crystal reveal if you're interested in that. And so yeah, USB and SD card access there, and then shtok V3 connector there. Now, with this, you gotta twist and lock, and then it'll twist again. It's easier to do it without the Graflex clamp on. So, bam. It has gesture features like twist on and stab on. So it's very nice. Now, this has about 16 fonts on there. It has no party blade, sadly. So without further ado, let's show you off the fonts. So first up, we've got The Return by Kyberphonic. So the top one's going to be power, just tap to turn on. And then your aux is the bottom one, just tap to get blasters. For force effects, you want to hold power for 2 seconds and let go. So good R2-D2 force effects in there. For lockup, you want to hold and clash. It's a small bang of the blade. Now again, this is a thin neck, so I don't recommend, and a crystal reveal, so I don't recommend too hard of spinning or anything. You can definitely swing it around and get the smooth swing. Clashes. The track is the barge scene, so. Of course, gesture features. So yeah. Next up, this is the Obi Wan V2 by Kyberphonic. Unstable build-up, has a white swing. Blasters.
Let me see your identification. You don't need to see his identification. We don't need to see his identification.
This has the force thing on it. Flashes. Next up,
Obi Wan Kenobi.
this is the same font, but it's the Death Star version. So New Hope. This has the Death Star ambience for the track. There's just tons of like ambient stuff in there. Lock up. For changing the color, you want to hold aux, tap power. Go into it, you can rotate the saber to change that whatever color you want. Let's just change to a kind of reddish. And then for lightning block, you want to hold power, tap aux. Next up. This is the Heroes Pack. This is Obi Wan's Episode 3 font by Kyberphonic. Of course, it has Anakin versus Obi Wan as the track. To get into multi-blast, you want to hold aux and let go for 2 seconds, and you can swing it. It'll be hard to do with this saber because it's thin neck, but you can do multi-blast. To get out of it, you tap once more, and you're good to go. Next up, Mace Windu from the same Heroes Pack. Nice purple here. So yeah. Next up. This is A New Hope Vader by Father by Kyberphonic. This is Imperial March as the track.
Enough of this. Later. Release it. As you wish.
So yeah, next up. This is the Commander Tondo, Code Fulcrum by Kyberphonic. There's silver blades, as in Rebels. This track is from Season 2 of Rebels. Next up, The Sorcerer by Kyberphonic. Same white blades. This track has the Mando track on it. The Sorcerer. Very quiet at first. Next up. This is Scavenger's Destiny by Kyberphonic. This has a custom track on it. It's the trailer music from The Rise of Skywalker. So yeah. Next up. This is Temple Guardian by Kyberphonic. Another yellow blade. It just has fates on it. That's the track. Next up. This is Peace from Peace and Violence by Kyberphonic. Oh. This is Violence from Peace and Violence by Kyberphonic. Both of those have fates as the track. Next up. This is The Tragedy by Kyberphonic. This has the Plagueis font on it, or track on it. And a really cool build-up. Unnatural. Next up.
The dark saber. It belongs to you.
This is Dark V3 by Kyberphonic.
The dark saber doesn't have power. The story does. No. It belongs to her.
And it has the Mando track on it, of course. Next up. Unstable V2 by Kyberphonic. Kylo's track on there. With the power on and stable off. Next font. Last but not least, you got your passive battery monitor, and of course, instead of the party blade, we've got Proton Pack by Kyberphonic. Has Ray Parker Jr.'s Ghostbusters track on there. See it a lot better. Now with this blade, you can increase the intensity by rotating the hilt. And one thing I forgot to show entirely was the crystal reveal. So it'll blink when the saber's off. When we turn it on, it'll react to that, and then it'll react to clashes, and then lock up, flicker, and then back to pulsing. It'll do that with every font. So that includes the fonts. So that concludes the install for the MK1 crystal reveal. I hope the customer enjoys it. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day, and may the force be with you.